This is the moment y'all have all been waiting for. I'm about to show you the Salem Roost. I'm excited. It's absolutely stunning. So beautiful. They thought of everything, so I'm excited to show you. We're going to start from the outside in, but if you want any information, let me know, because we are actually down to the last one right now. We just got them in, so we're down to the last one. So call, text, email, let me know if you are interested to come see it, because I am excited to show you. But let's start. Alright guys, we've got our Salem HEMISPHERE. It is the Roost 43. This one's the 2025. We got 3 slides over here. Look at all those beautiful windows. And this of course is a window as well. It's just they keep it covered. And we have 2 slides over here and 3 awnings. And then we got speakers as well. This is such a beautiful unit. It's super, super tall. Let's go to the back. You got your backup camera prep. All right, let's go inside. I love the sliding glass door. Okay, take it all in. All right, let's start in the living room. So you have your L-shaped couch, which is really awesome because the way they set it up where is you can pull to bring in the slide. You'll pull this around, super easy, pull it right over here, and then the slide moves right in. So it's not like you have to take everything apart just to put the slide in. They have a shelf right behind the couch, which I love. A table right next to it. We got outlets, chargers everywhere. You've got your, this goes in the middle, so put it right back. You got your coffee table right here. Of course, you can also get an ottoman to put your feet up on. You've got a nice big fireplace, nice big TV, 65-inch, which is really nice. And Salem always they have those blinds, those blackout blinds, but they're attached on the inside, which I absolutely love. These blinds, they do so well. They're not flapping around everywhere. They are really nice, and they actually really work. So I love those. Right through here, we've got one of our lofts with storage, plenty of space. 2 twin beds can easily fit up here. A queen I know a full could, so it's a lot of space. I love the railing. I'm probably gonna put one of those in my house. But there is storage and outlets and all the goods. We have our breakfast table, or whatever you want, just a table in general, whatever you want to use it for. But also just having that counter space is so nice. We've got a huge 4-burner, nice big oven, plenty big, nice big microwave, and plenty of storage as well, cabinetry and storage. And then you do have a beautiful shelf up there with those 2 beautiful windows. I absolutely love it. I love the design in here where they use the wood all the way across. They did very well. You've got a nice big sink with your glass cleaner. What's cool about this is the water can also come out through here and pour out this way. Love it. So you get little goodies as well. They actually hook right on here easily, so both of them do. And then you've got a cutting board that also can lay right on there. You got storage, of course. Like I said, plenty of storage. I love this. I love these. Super easy to get in and out, or to grab anything that you might need. And then you do have your nice big residential fridge, wine rack, and maybe even a coffee bar over here with just more storage. You can put some plants up there. Love it. All right. We have this beautiful bathroom. They did so well. Look at it. So nice, large drawers that everything is, you know, that soft close. Love it. You got a beautiful sink, some more shelving, nice big shower, and then plenty of space here for your porcelain toilet. Now I love this. You can put your toiletry back here or all your, you know, odds and ends, but I love that they took this and just made room for it in the wall. I mean, great use of space there. You can hang up your towels, robes, and then you got your shelf here, and then you got your washer and dryer. You can fold your clothes right up there. They thought of it all. Love it. And then through here, we have our second loft, which this is a queen, I think. Let me just open this so that we can, I love this window here because it does, I love when I see a window in a hall. Love it, love it. So right through here, and this is really cool. So those kiddos can look right down into the kitchen, or they can keep it closed. You got a window back there as well. And then you got your stairs right here. Right through here, we've got our master bedroom. And this is where the windows are going to be. Of course, it is covered right now. And then you have drawers upon drawers, a little desk, or you know, if you maybe you have makeup that you put on, and that would be for me anyway. You got a beautiful fireplace, your entertainment. Got more room for closet space. And then you do have your own bathroom. Love it. So it is a half bath, which is great. Love these little shelves. But yeah, let me know what you guys think. It's absolutely stunning. If you want some information, just let me know. And we'll go from there. But until next time.